Alright, this is another one. You know what I'm saying? I wrote this a minute ago, but it's raw. So I say my story's full of anger. Read between the lines, I'm the author and the painter, the rapper and the singer, living inside of danger. This is Boy Meets World like Corey and Topanga. I'm sinking in the sea full of money like an anchor. Empty-headed flow, something like a no-brainer. Flow propane, so cocaine. Hit him at the scrimmage line, bet he get no game. I beat you to the finish line, even with a sprain. With a big loose boot on, racing in the rain. No shoestrings, no loose change. Only big head dead presidents, the crew game. Women need attention, therefore women will complain. Gain interest in the nigga, figure he'll treat her the same. I'm bleeding on the track like I cut a main vein. I'd be damned if I hear niggas say the same thing. Discombobulated, confused, and aggravated. I'm just modulating the rules and contemplating about the final destination that me and my niggas taking. Chasing women and debating about the dates that I be making. I'm caught up in the double life, living like my nigga Corn. Bitches putting bombs on my phone, blowing up my horn. Torn between the two, like a Toya Lucky. Fuck it, man, I'd rather see you smile than 2 tears in the bucket. I love it. It's impossible to lust it. This rap shit, I crushed it. Got it pregnant, took the condom off and flushed it. I tried to let these niggas catch up like mustard, but this hot sauce the truth. You got no choice but to trust it. Yeah.